Introducing the Liebherr PR776 Electronic Bulldozer. Power, precision, and performance unleashed. Welcome to a new era of earth-moving excellence with the Liebherr PR776 Electronic Bulldozer. Engineered to dominate the most challenging terrains with unmatched power and precision, the PR776 is a testament to Liebherr's commitment to innovation, durability, and efficiency. Let's delve into the remarkable features that make the PR776 the ultimate bulldozing solution for your toughest projects. Unrivaled power and performance. At the heart of the PR776 lies the robust Liebherr D9512A7 engine, a 12-cylinder powerhouse delivering an impressive 440 kilowatts of raw power. With a displacement of 24.2 liters, this engine is designed to handle the most demanding tasks with ease. The engine's maximum torque is achieved at just 1600 RPM, ensuring consistent and reliable performance across all operations. Meeting emission level 2 standards, the PR776 combines power with environmental responsibility, reducing its ecological footprint without compromising on performance. Dominating dimensions. The PR776 is a behemoth in the world of bulldozers, boasting a transport weight of 69.5 tons. Despite its formidable size, Liebherr has engineered the PR776 with precision to ensure ease of transport. With a transport length of 5.77 meters, a width of 3.72 meters, and a height of 4.35 meters, this machine is designed to be as transportable as it is powerful. Precision blades and superior control. Equipped with an SU blade, the PR776 excels in versatility and efficiency. The front blade width of 4.83 meters allows for substantial material handling, while the optimized blade shape ensures excellent penetration and maximum productivity. The track width of 660 millimeters provides a solid and stable base, distributing the soil pressure evenly at 1.41 kilograms per square centimeter. This ensures minimal ground disturbance and maximum traction, even in the most challenging conditions. Advanced mobility and efficiency. The PR776 is not just about brute strength, it's also engineered for exceptional mobility. With a travel speed of up to 10.5 kilometers per hour, this bulldozer can quickly move between sites and positions, increasing overall productivity. Whether navigating steep slopes or rugged terrain, the PR770 SIX's advanced undercarriage and suspension system ensure a smooth and controlled ride. The future of bulldozing is here. In summary, the Liebherr PR776 Electronic Bulldozer is a masterpiece of engineering, combining immense power with advanced technology and unparalleled precision. Whether you are working on massive construction projects, mining operations, or land reclamation, the PR776 is the bulldozer that will help you achieve your goals efficiently and effectively.